Last year's Samsung Galaxy A51 was a great hit, and now it's time to talk about the sequel, the Galaxy A52. Let's go for these key features and see what's new. The Galaxy A52 brings what Samsung call it a soft edge design. Unlike the glass panel of the previous generations, this one has a matte plastic finish that feels soft, grippy and rubbery in the hand. The back is also staged up a bit to make it relatively flat camera bump with help it to blend in the design. The Galaxy A52 brings a few updates from last year's model. For one, there is an IP67 water and dust resistance, which we haven't seen on any A-series phones in a long time. And although the screen is very similar to last year, it's a 6.5-inch of Super AMOLED display with 1080p resolution and a smaller punch hole for selfie cam. This one is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and not only that, the A52 has a 90Hz of refresh rate, so swiping it is a bit smoother than the 60Hz display, and the 5G variant of the phone has even faster 120Hz of refresh rate. The audio has been improved over the last year as well. We still get the 3.5mm jack for headphones, but rather than a single bottom firing loudspeaker, the A52 has a pair of stereo speakers with the support for Dolby Atmos surround sound. The A52 takes the battery life and charging to a new level over the A51. There is a larger 4500 mAh battery this time around and support for 25 watts fast charging, which Samsung claims can take that battery to 50% in half an hour. But the charger in the box is just 15 watt. The camera in the box is reworked too. The A52 main cam has a higher 64 megapixel of a resolution and also has an OIS. The rest of the setup is similar too, a 12 megapixel of ultra wide, a 5 megapixel of macro cam and a dead cam. You can get some new tricks to play with. You find the quick access to AR effects right in the camera app made in the partnership with Snapchat. And 4K video snaps lets you take 8 megapixel stills out of your 4K videos. Handy if you want to take action shot. And the final upgrade I will talk about here is the chipset. Rather than an Exynos chip, the new generation brings Snapdragon Silicon. The 4G variant of the Galaxy A52 has a Snapdragon 732G chipset, while the A52 5G is running on Snapdragon 750G 5G. Either way, we can expect a solid performance, and so far the game runs without a hitch. So finally, we wrap things up with some features which aren't really different from A51. Waking up and unlocking the phone is done with an under-display fingerprint reader. Storage is expandable via microSD on top of 128 or 256 gigs of storage on board. And the phone interface is Samsung One UI 3.1 over Android 11. It's very similar to what we have seen on all Samsung recent phones. So there you have it guys. The Galaxy A52 is packed with a bunch of upgrades compared to last year, but it is more expensive too. It is starting at $380 for 4G variant and $450 for 5G one. So what do you guys think the extra features are worth for high price tag? Let us know in the comment section below and I'll see you in the full review.